Could McDonald's French fries hold the cure for baldness? Scientists in Japan are studying the possibility that a chemical that is used to make the iconic fries can stimulate hair growth. Researchers at Yokohama National University found that an ingredient that's in a French fry cooking oil, dimethylpolysiloxane, was key to stimulating mass follicle growth on laboratory mice. Dimethylpolysiloxane is used as an antifoaming agent in the oil that McDonald's uses to fry French fries, fish sandwiches, and Chicken McNuggets. The scientists are hopeful that after further study they will have a potential way to stimulate hair growth. No need to rush to McDonald's to load up on fries. Researchers say that the chemical is in the oil, not in the food.